What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Boosted here, aka Alan, and I know this might be a little different. This is a little different, don't it? I just got my GoPro and stuff finally mounted on my camera, got my mic set up, so in a sense, I'm kind of being a motovlogger right now. As you can see right there in the mirror, hello. I know this is a lot different than my normal videos because obviously there ain't no turbo on this bike yet. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take y'all along. I'm just kind of driving around or riding around on the bike. The bike has not been shown yet to the channel. I wanted to do a video over it. I just, again, haven't made any time for it, of course. But it is a 09 Honda CBR 600 RR, of course. And yeah, Red Bull edition, kind of. You can't really see because I'm on the bike, but the thumbnail will be a picture of the bike. I hope this is all kind of sounding good. This is obviously the first ever motovlog video I've ever made in my life, so I did a little test. Sounded somewhat decent. There's a lot of wind noise, kind of course, because my helmet's not the best. I'm rocking Aircon Airflight, or whatever you want to call it, helmet. It looks cool, it looks sick, it's very loud. So that's the bad thing about that. So the only thing I'm just not realizing is I can't tell if I'm recording 100%. Am I recording? I see the red light, we're good. Show y'all my little tan. It's not really little anymore, but little chili coffee. Won't be doing nothing crazy in this video on the bike. Just got done raining, so roads are kind of dried up now though, so it's good. Not too bad. Weather out about 72. A little chilly, not too bad. Wow, my nose really itches. I got this like fuzzy cat thing on the mic, and I think it's tickling my nose. Oh, red light after red light after red light. I wonder if we're seeing anybody I know. Maybe say hi. They could be on the First Motovlog from the Boosted, Mr. Boosted, aka Alan channel. I leave my, okay, no. Oh, Harley. So, still going? We're still good, alright. I hope something crazy happens. I'm recording now. Knowing my luck, I'll have this on, not even recording, and then something like cool or crazy will happen, and then I won't be recording. It's just how my luck goes. So, oh well. I'm here for it. That's all I'm doing. Just enjoying the bike, so might as well let you guys enjoy the bike somewhat with me. So, right? Right. I don't think you guys want to see a 30-minute video of me just riding my bike. I mean, if you do, let me know. And if you guys do think this is pretty cool and whatnot, let me know and I will keep doing it. Granted, it is October now, so of course, me being in Ohio, the riding season's not pretty much up, but it's coming near the end. So hold on, gotta do it. So yeah, what are you doing, buddy? But yeah, the riding season's kind of coming like to the end, so I don't know how many more times I'll get on the bike and be able to actually ride and not freeze to death. Someone's gonna be in the comment like, it doesn't matter if it's 30 degrees, ride the bike, or a real biker would ride. But hey, I'm 150 pounds, I get cold easy, all right? Red light, green light. Been seeing a lot of talk about this this Squid Game that's out. Is that what it's called? Squid Game on Netflix? I haven't watched it yet, but I've been seeing a lot of talk about it. It's kind of getting annoying now. That dude's cool. Come on. What you pointing at, bruh? Who's talking smack, bruh? Heard you talking smack. There's fire department. Fire department. Yep. And another red light. Things like every Halloween where they put like fake, not like, well, obviously fake, but like weird, like hey people. If that makes any sense. Hey people. Yeah. So that's kind of cool, I guess. like that right there with a little Red Riding Hood. Now someone said someone had like hung one of the hate people over the traffic lights, but I don't know about that. There's one right there, one right there. And this right here is the stench of Chillicothe itself, the paper mill. Whoop. But yes, this is the stench of Chillicothe. If you ever come to Chillicothe, it smells terrible. If it smells terrible while you're here, it's because of this plant right here. I'm not hating on it. I'm not saying it's like bad. I'm just saying it's the stench. It's the reason of the smell. I mean, they make paper, I think. Yeah, paper mill. Duh. So, sick Jeep, bro. Nice paint job, buddy. Oh, look at this steady boy. I'm doing the speed limit, I promise. Bill, you getting me some gas? Actually, no, I'm good on gas. Sweet. I was like, wait a minute, do I need gas? As you can probably tell, we've already been here. Yes. It's not a huge town, but not a small town either. The bridge again, you know what that means? Nice. Hey, what up, bro? What up, bro? I see you with a Harley, bro. That's a Jeep shirt on, bro. I bet you got a Jeep and you're not riding a bike. What's up, bro? How you doing, bro? Oh, yeah. They ain't even looking over here. Harley. Like, see, like, I just don't understand that. Like, no hate to Harley riders, but like, every Harley I see is American made, American made. Like, I just don't get it. I just don't get it. No hate, but there's just something about that I don't. Why are you standing in the driveway? What are you doing? That's not right. Oh, it's gonna be wet under here, I bet. Not really. Look at all this corn. That's some good looking corn right there. Oh, it's wet there. Not really. Kinda. Might be. I'm not risking it. What's that smell? I'm an idiot. Please don't turn out. Oh, you're going to. Don't you do it either. Please don't. Thank you. Got a boat. I really hope that was just wind I was hearing. I'm pretty sure it was, but hey, that's the guy from earlier. I think. I don't know. Oh, we got two Red Bull trucks here. I should pull in there. Hold up. I should pull in there. Put my bike right between them. Oh, we are about to. Hold up. Let's just let's eat this sucker around here real quick. Not illegal. I promise. I'm not doing anything illegal. If I can get out of here. Come on. Whoa, slip the clutch. Why not? Yes. I have to do it. I have to. You'll see in a minute. Ha ha, look at these. Look at these. Look at these Red Bull trucks. I was like, why are you freaking out about a Red Bull truck? You'll see it in just a second. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah. This one's bigger, so I'm gonna use it. That's it's a Peterbilt. Hang on. We gotta do this quick before everybody looks at me weird. Get the phone. Take the picture. Yes, sir. So as you can see, this is why I was freaking out, because it's Red Bull. It's Red Bull livery, whatever. Got the carbon-free brie. Oh, I'm out of breath. Nope, you don't need to see all my information on my phone. Okay, I got what I wanted. That's probably going to be the thumbnail. Don't need gas, right? Okay. Oh, it broke it down. It broke it down. Bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, ba ba. It's a cool little camper. Alright, I think I'm going to... That is a cool little camper, actually. That's pretty sweet. But I think I've got enough footage now to throw up a little video, hopefully. So again, if you guys like this and thought it was pretty neat, I know this isn't what this channel was for, but I like it, so I'm gonna do it. If you think it's pretty sweet and you guys want to see more of it, please make sure you let me know in the comments down below. But if you're new to this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And well, until then, I will see you all guys later.